do my money too long. I got homies for your friends and we can group on. We are early, hit our shot like Curry. Bitch, I wanna shoot like hoops, but I'm riding in the coupe.
I got what you want, ain't nothing left to. None friends or nothing left for you. Yeah. I want you. I wanna shoot like hoops, ride around in the coupe. I got what you want, ain't nothing left to. Yeah. I want you. Wanna shoot. Wanna move when it's sticking like some glue with you. Ain't never do with you. Do what you got. Back. Don't be yellow top. Ain't never trying yet. Yellow frost bed. Wanna do the dash. Alright. We go bullish here. Because we go bullish here. Control buys off of this area. I want you. I want to shoot like hoops, ride around with a coupe. I got what you want, ain't nothing but yeah. I want you.
I think I'm in love, saying way too often. I can't play these games, think I'm switching up the offense. See me in LA, I be moving cautious. I can't feel no pain, rolling up, I'm so exhausted. I be so exhausted.
I be so exhausted. Whoa.
I close my eyes, I see the vision. All this reading got me lifted, pouring forward, and then I finish tonight. I told my mama that I'm with it. Got it all like this, my kitchen. Middle finger to these bitches.
I don't know my way. Shitting like a flute, yeah. Don't know who are you, yeah. You shot up at your brain, bitch. Never saying, lately I've been hated. I'm so done with these fake shit. I'm so done with you. So done with you. Whoa. Stones, I ain't talking NBA. Yeah, I be king.
Struggling with moderate to severe Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis? Talk to your doctor about #1 prescribed Entyvio, offering 2 maintenance options, including the Entyvio pen. Infusion and serious allergic reactions can happen during or after treatment. Entyvio may increase risk of infection, which can be serious. PML, a rare, potentially fatal brain infection, cannot be ruled out. Tell your doctor if you have an infection, flu-like symptoms, sores, or are prone to infections. Liver problems can occur. Entyvio, relief, remission for real. Entyvio.
I'm the only one who can open the vault.
Get up my way. Serving the lanes, I was drifting away. We ain't been the same, I never gonna change. Change. I'm on emotion. Crispy like a white tee. Nike. Icy. Lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn lonely. These niggas be so phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out my way. Over the lanes, I be drifting away. Change. We're never gonna fall. All my brothers gonna call. Oh, no. I've been so lonely, 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 lonely. I've been so damn long. These niggas be so phony, 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 phony. Acting so damn phony. Just get out of my way. Serving the lanes, I be drifting away. Change, I be okay. We ain't been the same, no, I never gonna change. Change. Yeah. Figuring meat, be missing meat. Focus, cause they are my living dreams. Sexy, if you done it, thousands of times. Thousands of lies. Why are you trying to move on my time? I'll call you my little baby, no. See my song. It came in with Q for my baby, yeah. Mercedes, yeah. I've been in my feelings, I get in my bag. Running around. How to sound. You missing me? Focus, sleep is bad by living dreams. If you down the slide. I ain't trying to eat it all the time. On the slide. Racking in the bullshit. Back, I'll be back with him, new bitch. And the same shit. Fucking name. Other side this time. Trying to make you mine. All you gotta do is stop replying. Hard up on my sleeve in the summer, baby. Yeah, make it, baby.
I retype like thousands of lines. We done did this thousands of times.
Let me call this nigga Kitty, bro. I know he not up. Up and get down. Battlefield. I've been in that war. I've been thinking never seen. How hard it was. How hard it was. How hard it was. The nigga over there sleep, chat. He over there sleeping, man. He over there sleep, chat. What? I can't hear you, bro. Do I know how it works?
Like, so you know what you was showing me and shit, right?
How I was doing this shit, you said?
Yeah, like how we was getting.
Oh yeah.
You know how we was getting the zones and stuff.
Yeah.
Is that the same way you used to like the 1 minute tweet?
I don't draw zones in 1 minute.
You use that on the 1 minute?
I draw zones. I told you already. That's why I told you to start writing shit down. I get tired of repeating myself. Nigga, you need to start writing shit down, bro. I told you I draw my zones on a 30-minute and hourly.
Exactly, I remember that, but I'm saying like, you know, like how you get them type shit. Like say if you was in it, right? On that, would you like draw one there the same way? Like how you got like you use the 1 minute high?
Yeah. But I don't draw zones in 1 minute. How about Discord, bro? I ain't finna be on the phone with you all night, bro. Get on the Discord, bro. Well, my stream looks so fucking blurry. Is it because my monitor is stretch res? It looks blurry on this monitor. I think it's because this monitor is stretch res. But get on Discord, bro. Come on. Bro, if you talking, I don't hear you, kitty. Bitch, it's because I'm not talking. Dumbass. Okay, GU getting them moving. Did this nigga lead a call chat? What the fuck, bro? Just noticed. Yeah. What?
Nigga got me muted, bro.
I don't got you muted. I hear you right now.
No, you don't. You got me muted in the fucking server, bitch.
Hold on. Your mic sound low as fuck. I'm trying to figure out how to turn you up, bro. User settings. Is there a sound option here? Chat. Voice and video. Voice activity. Bro, I don't know, your shit low, bro. What'd you say?
Nothing, bro.
You said I got you muted. Something.
No, don't worry about it.
Oh, it's cause I got my mic turned down. I'm fried, chat. I'm fucking fried.
Nigga retarded.
I'm fried, bro. That's why I need to stop smoking, chat.
This nigga's a fucking cornball. Hey, so what you just looking at AU right now?
I'm in GU already. Just a little bit, a little bit in profit. Probably like 3-4 pips or so. 6 pips, 7 pips in profit.
How the fuck is you in? Wait, I don't think I got that one, gang.
GBP USD.
Oh yeah.
You
Oh
said
shit, I'm in that bitch right now.
I sent one earlier today, but I closed the trade because it was late in the session. But price stayed in that same area, so I just took the same trade again because we in session now. That's why it's bad. That's why it's a good thing you don't trade in session, because I would avoid it because I closed my trade at break even. I avoided having to hold through all of that fucking consolidation. Well, not consolidation, just holding the whole time while that bitch is doing nothing. So watching it just do nothing would put a mental strain on your mind, on your psychology.
Oh god, that shit. I'm like, oh my god.
Now that we in session, we should have some more volume, so I'm anticipating price to drive. Well, not even in session yet. We still got another 20 minutes, so it's a pre-London trade. But I'm dabbling into more swing trading and day trading. Not necessarily swing trading. I probably hold my trade for like 4 or 5 hours now, rather than just 1 or 2 hours like I normally did. I'm sure your chart's looking like, bro.
They looking like yours, bro.
I hope so.
See, me too. What are you talking about? Let me put all this shit on. You thirsty, money? You really thirsty with him? Do you like this shit? What shit would you just look at? This shit.
And I spoke too soon. We in drawdown, chat. Nah, we good though. We good. Good. If we close above this level though, I'm just gonna close my trade. If we close above here, that means we'll be closing above this bodies. I'll close my trade there for all this loss. The only thing I didn't like about this GU trade is the fact that this hourly candle right here, they had no bottom wick, chat. I wanted to end off of this bearish engulfing right here. The reason why I didn't enter off of this bearish engulfing right here, because we didn't have a bottom wick. So I waited for a different hourly candle to close that had a top and bottom wick, which was this one right here. Then I waited for this candle to open, print that top wick, and I entered on this actual top wick to get a better entry than just entering at this close. Slightly better. But I really wanted to enter right here off of this candle, but because it didn't have no bottom wick, it was looking bad. Looking on the 4-hour time frame though, this was the part of the trade idea. This 4 hours now still closed at pre-London. Well, coming into pre-London at 1 a.m. This 4-hour candlestick closed right here with a big rejection wick, kind of a doji. I don't really care for dojis, but this candlestick closed right here, And once this candlestick closed with this big rejection wick, I look okay, like yeah, we definitely reject this level. We had a 4-hour rejection wick here, and then a big one, another 4-hour rejection wick here, and the big one. So I'm anticipating price to eventually drive down to make a new low, if not at the minimum make an equal low. So price could potentially come down here. Besides, to go higher, if we crack this level right here, if we break this level right over here, looking all the way to the left, right, we have rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here, and below this level we have a level here, rejections here, rejections here, rejections here. So we have both of these levels. So these red levels are just levels that I'll use as a like areas to watch out for. Those ones to watch out for. Like where I'll make a decision, like am I closing trade here, am I closing partials, am I going start to break even? These areas is where this is decision making areas. But my overall trade, I want to hold a trade for about a 1 to 3, almost 1 to 3, about 85 pips all the way down here to my next major key level. If I look left, this is where we have the big reactions off of. Right, we have this minor level right here, but we didn't have big reactions off of this level. But here, as you see, we tapped in here, we had a big impulsive move to the upside here for a level of support. Look more left, resistance, we tapped into here, big impulsive move to the downside. So I'm anticipating another for price to come into the area before making another big reaction. And for the one I'm trading off of here, we have direction here, big reaction, rejection here, big reaction. We had a fake out above, big reaction. Rejection here, big reaction. So I'm anticipating a big reaction off of this zone. This is my sell idea. Also, looking at the all time frames, the daily time frame is still bullish, right? That's going against me as well. The fact that the daily time frame is actually still bullish. And I'm selling. So the daily time frame is bullish as long as we maintain this level. That's one thing that's going against me right here. But looking on a 4-hour time frame, as you can see, in a 4-hour time frame, we are making new lows with this 4-hour downtrending market right over here. So if you look here, we have a 4-hour making lower lows and lower highs as price come down. 4% lower high to continue down. So the 4-hour is going with me in my direction. I'm looking on the 1-hour time frame. As you can see on the 1-hour time frame, same exact thing. We have a low right here, a lower high, lower low. So from 1 hour's perspective. And on a 30-minute time frame, as you can see on the 30-minute time frame, we were creating not new highs, but we had a little lower time frame trend forming here, making new highs. This push down took out all of these lows that it created right over here. Took out all of these lows. Right after this, we had this break, retest, and as you can see, price never came back above this high here. So as long as we respect this high, we should. I'm anticipating price to continue down. That's why my stop loss is above here. Because whenever you take a trade, your stop loss should always be in the area that invalidates your trade, or an area that makes your stop loss or your trade idea overall wrong. Meaning, if you're selling, your stop loss should be in a place where it will be making a new high if the candlesticks was to come up here, and vice versa for buying. If you're buying, your stop loss should be at a place that lets you know that we are no longer buying, or in other words, making a new low. So in this case, according to the 30-minute time frame, we have a high up here. If we come above this high once again, this will be making a new high on the 30-minute time frame. That's why I chose this as my. Other people are more aggressive traders what it may have dips like a stop loss and stuff like this, or just like slightly above the level, right? This is not a bad idea, right? It could play out. This stop loss could hold, but to be a little, I'm on a little more conservative side, and I'd rather put my stop loss at an area that makes my trade wrong, because price could easily just come up here, hit this stop loss, don't close, and give you another rejection wick to continue down. Then that'll put a mental strain on myself. Like, damn, I just lost a trade because my stop loss was too tight. I should have had a bigger stop loss. I'd end up making money rather than losing whatever I was risking on that position. So with that being said, I'd rather have this 30 pip stop loss. Right now, just like it could come up there and take that trade out, it can come up here and take my trade out. Like, that's not a, that is a possibility as well. It can come up here and take my trade out, but I'd rather it take my trade out and make a new high and lose than it don't make a new high and take my trade out. Cause this actually has there is an actual reason why my stop loss is up here rather than just being above a bearish engulfing, or above a support or resistance. This is definitely making a whole new high, so I don't want to be in the trade if we're making new highs. So it's low recap. The daily is still bullish. Still this one up here. The daily is still bullish. The 4 hour is bearish. The 1 hour is bearish. The 30-minute is bearish. That's why I'm selling rather than buying, because I have more time frames telling me to sell than they are telling me to buy. Looking at the 5-minute time frame, if you even want to go a little even more down, we had a 5-minute time frame. We have a 5-minute uptrend right over here, making higher highs and higher lows. This push down right here took out this low, right? So this was a 5-minute change of structure or change of trend. So this is the 5-minute most recent higher high. So whoever, if anybody was taking this trade, putting stop loss above here would be valid according to the 5-minute, because you will be the 5-minute will be making a new high if you was to get stopped out here. But lower time frames doesn't tend to get respected as much as higher time frames. So that's why, another reason why I have the 30-minute my stop loss according to 30-minute rather than just the 5-minute. And also looking at the 30-minute, my stop loss is above this high, which is also above the 4-hour high over here. So actually, my stop loss, in reality, my stop loss is above the 4-hour high, not the 30-minute. Well, it's 30-minute and 4-hour at the same level, but yeah, so it's above the 4-hour instead of just the 5-minute. 5-minute doesn't get respected as good as the 4-hour or the 1 hour or the daily does. Currently sitting in drawdown, but drawdown is a part of trading, right? Not every trade you take not gonna go straight into profit. Every trade you take not gonna go straight into drawdown. As you can see, we came about 7, almost 8 pips in profit. Now we sitting about 6 pips in drawdown. And if you're one of the people that struggle with holding trades through drawdown, even if I was 25 pips in drawdown with 30 pips I lost, it's cool, because I know as long as we maintain, well, actually not 25 pips, because that would be making a new high, but say I'm like 19, 15 pips in drawdown, that's fine, because as long as we maintain above this high over here, I should be good, and the trade idea still makes sense. It's just giving my trade room to actually fluctuate. And if you struggle with holding the drawdown, it's because you're over risking, taking on too much risk, taking on too much size than you could mentally bear, or your account could bear. So if you want to get improved with holding through drawdown, size down, risk less. That way it don't take a mental toll on you when you actually experiencing them drawdown phases. Oh my god, this fucking rejection is so perfect. Oh god, it is. Chat, not gonna cap. Let's look at the 1 minute. See, we got some 1 minute search. I might have a 1 minute player. Oh, I missed it. Fuck, this was so perfect. Oh my god, this was textbook perfect 50 cal play right over here. Break of this 1 minute lower high structure to go bullish with the overall time frame. Literally just rejected a fib level. Stop loss could have been below this low right over here. So instead of 10, I could do like 15 to be 5 pips below the low. Even 15 seems kind of big for AU. This would have been a trade for a 1-to-1 target up here. Literally textbook break and retest buy right over here. Break, retest, 1 minute strategy, boom, instant profit. That'd have been cool, not gonna count. As you see, we never closed below. Closed within the zone, didn't quite close below the overall resistance or support that I have there. I might end up taking some AU buys as well. But the problem with this is taking AU buys and GU sells kind of contradicting, because I'm buying one USD pair and selling the other when they both are the quote pair, the quote currency in each of those pairs. Kind of contradicting. So that might not be the brightest idea. Looking on EJ, still it's inside this range. I want to see a break below the range to continue down. Gold, don't really want to touch gold too much, because we are overall in this range. Now I did take gold sales already. I took gold sales back over here, closed partial down here, brought my stops to break even. Price came all the way up, almost broke me even, then came back down here. Once it came back down here to create these equals, and the closing for my position at this level right over here. Now that I see that price is still playing around within the overall level, I don't want to trade this. So I want to make a decision outside of this zone, right? Outside of this zone, we have potentially buys in this area, which would be kind of risky because I just got done selling. Also, it will be kind of risky because, as you can see, we are making new lows. So I'll be taking a counter trend trade. I'd rather wait till we break these highs over here to take the buys, because that'll be more high probable, because we'll be making new highs. And for taking the sells, I'd rather wait till we break these lows down here to take the sells to fill in the rest of this clean range we have to the left hand side. But other than that, don't really want to take gold. Not really looking at buys above this level. You know, these buys could play out, but it's just not high probable. Right, I'm focusing on the quality of my setups and not how many setups I'm taking. This is just not, buys in this area is not a high quality setup. The high quality setups for this pair will be above this area, AOE. If you see the abbreviation AOE on my chart, that is what I call areas of execution. So areas of interest and areas of execution is two different things. Areas of interest is, well, kind of the same thing, but I like areas of execution a little bit better, because this is where I'm looking to execute. I'm looking to actually place the trade in this area, around this area, or a reaction off of this level. Looking to actually place the trade after reaction off of this level or this level, right? So AOE is the area of execution. As you see here, we got a mid level here, but this is my overall structural point. This is my mid level. Let's adjust this to my 30 pip stop loss. I might actually close GU at break even though, only because the AU setup looks cleaner to take buys, and I'm selling inside the range. I knew this was a no trade range as well, but I was too excited after seeing the hourly bearish engulfing, anticipating price to come to the bottom of the range. And I already took sales back here. I took sales a little bit back here, and ended up closing at break even around here because of the time of day. Wait, not right here. I'm lying. It was a little bit later. It was over here. Yeah, because of the time of day, I closed this trade at break even. So once coming into the session, price was still in the same exact area, so I decided to execute on another sell. But I know that we in a range, so I probably shouldn't have took this sell in the first place. But we already in it. Got to see it through, my boy. Got to see it through. I think I'm gonna hop into these AU buys, and I'm gonna close GU at break even. If we get back to break even, if we don't get back to break even and we overall lose the trade, that's fine as well. But these buys look clean. Nah, this will be trading another no trade range. Nah, that's not a good idea, bro. I'm having FOMO right now, chat. Not gonna cap. I feel like I'm gonna miss out on the buy move, even though I had the idea planned out. As you can see here, this is my idea. We having it play out. So me taking the buy now will be FOMO because we didn't quite close above the level yet, and we'll be trading inside this no trade range. Do I really want to trade another no trade range? No. Is this a high probable setup at this exact area? No. I'll be buying right below resistance, which is not a good idea. I wait to close above resistance, and above the resistance is up here. I had to watch out for another resistance up here, so that'll be a bad idea. The higher probability setup will be buying above here instead. And then looking left, we have clean structure to the left to fill in, rather than buying in this area. We have choppy. So no. That was almost made a bad decision. I caught myself in the act of doing some dumb shit. So I'm actually not gonna execute on that buy. I'm gonna focus on these GU sales. If I don't close that break even on GU, I'm probably gonna just close. Take some risk off the table. If I'm risking 1%, take some risk off the table. Start to risk like 0.5% or so. We won't stop looking at AU entirely because no, I'm not gonna do that. I lied. I'm gonna hold my GU trade to the end. You stop loss of TP. Right. I'm gonna stop looking at AU because AU is what's the way I view AU is contradicting how I feel about GJ, and I already have my GJ analysis. But I know they both USD pairs, so I'm thinking they're supposed to follow each other. But when they show in two different structures, as you can see, AU is showing bullish structure. GU is showing bearish structure. So they don't correlate. Or they're not correlating right now. So I shouldn't close a GU trade because an AU trade looks better going in the opposite direction. That doesn't make any sense. That's another bad mistake I almost made just now. But I caught myself. This is why it's important to think out loud. When you think out loud, you catch yourself saying some dumb shit. And when you hear yourself talk, you be like, nah, did I really just say that dumb shit? That don't make no sense. So yeah, no, we're gonna see this GU trade to the end. That lost a TP. Or a closure above here. If we get a closure above here, I close it early. Coming into London session now, just 3 a.m. 1 hour. Oh, we pushing down aggressively right now. I don't like that. I don't like how in the first minute on the hourly candle we straight start ripping down. Same thing. 30 minutes, soon we open, we just start ripping it down. The reason why I don't like that is because candlesticks like to make top and bottom wicks, so we don't have no top wick. I don't like that. Meaning for the rest of the candle, we have potential to push back up to actually make that top wick. The only good side is it's not this is the 4 hour candle though. So the 4 hour candle might not push up. So it's kind of subjective here. But because it's a 1 hour and 30 minute with no top wick, that's kind of disgusting. So I'd rather it push up first, then come down, then I'll be a little more confident. But like I said, sticking to the plan, we're going to see this trade through. Got to see it through, my boy. Got to see it through. Let's do a full gold breakdown though. Doing the full gold breakdown. Start off on the daily time frame. Look at the daily time frame. The daily, we were making lower lows and lower highs here, as you can see here on the daily time frame. Made some equal lows. Price pushed up. This pushed up, took out this lower high structure here and this lower high structure here. Transitioned into bullish market on the daily time frame. Then we had a small pullback for a higher low and a new higher high. higher low. This push down didn't quite take out this low, so the daily is still bullish. And we didn't quite make a new high either. We can look at it from that perspective, or we can look at it from the perspective of zoomed out perspective. Price made a high, made a higher low, a higher high. This high broke this high to the left hand side, gave us another higher low and a new higher high. I think the second I want is the one I want to go with. Let's drag this down a little bit right here. So as long as we maintain this daily higher low structure, we should continue up on the daily time frame. According to the daily time frame. Alright, looking on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, we were bearish here, we went bullish. Created this higher high, higher low, new higher high. Price then broke this previous high lows on the left hand side. Gave us a pullback for a lower high, lower low, lower high. Right? So the 4-hour is in bear structure. Oh, I already did a full breakdown on gold. I'm not doing that shit again. I just noticed I already did that shit. Put the music back on.
Tell me why the proof is. Tell me why you lacking. I can trust you cause I know you finna fall. Many times I told myself this marijuana getting old. I put those thoughts right in the can. I smoke me another bowl. Trying to melt all the time away. Every minute just too cold. I'm a sex addict. I love it when she touches the pole. Automatic. Bullets addicted to taking souls. You let him have it. Empty the clip and reload. My bullets on go. I smoke some blow. I need it. I need my fair. Cause I'm so rich, feeding, dreaming, thinking of my next time. Just to the dragon, the one on my road, screaming out, fuck it. I hate the drugs, but when I use, I love it. A painful love, the kind of pain when no one cares. Addiction, whispers in my ears. Think you're better than this, regret to inform. It's your daily routine, bro. This joint is the norm. You say you're getting off, but we've been here before. Here I'll buy you some cash. You should go get more. Walk around with open arms, but my heart remaining.
I hate this fucking cord, bro.
I don't think they pay attention as long as they're fulfilled. Your homies be there for trips, but don't wanna pay the bills. Won't go up inside my lungs. Decisions so complicated. LSD on my tongue. Don't know if I'ma make it. If I die, I need a play.
Who I'm gonna call when it's time to ride? Once we take out this previous 4-hour lows, I'll trim my stop loss.
Let's make him regret ever stepping foot onto our earth.
Looking for a broker that can match your drive and ambition? Don't settle for second best. Discover an elevated trading
When we check out this previous 4-hour low, I'll trim my stop loss.
The #1 broker
The reason why I say I'll trim my stop loss, I'm not going to tell it to break even because that'll be too early. But I'm going to trail it, like cut it in half. Instead of having 30 pips, cut it to like 15, 20, somewhere around there.
Professional grade charting, analysis, and real-time commentary. Competitive pricing with no nasty surprises or hidden charges. All backed by StoneX, the financial giant with a century of market excellence. Isn't it time you looked out for #1? Join Forex.com today.
Come on, my nigga, we don't go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was game, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we don't go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was game, but you never hang, and I guess it was a myth. The picture I paint is never gonna change, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, we'll run to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love, them bitches, they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands, look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary Jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T, I might throw in the Prada, 60 fly, and I do what I wanna. Who the Prince of Flatbush? I'm the king of my hood. Now let's see how I look. DC to New York, just know we all good. But
Okay, now there we go. Price came up, made that top wick that I wanted on the 30-minute and the hourly candle. Now we look cleaner to drive down. As soon as we take out this previous 4-hour low right over here, I'll trim my stop loss to about 20 pips, 21. Okay, we pushing now. Nice, 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 nice. You want to kick it like Ronaldo? She wanna kick it like Ronaldo. Spade of Monte Carlo. Eric Carno. She wanna kick it like Messi. She just wanna text me. But you met me. Open in the Tessie. The fuck is this ad, chat? Bitcoin party, sign up for your stuff. Go to Tesla. That's your head top. We ain't in the same thing. We ain't the same thing. Nice to MJ. Aiming at your head tall. We ain't in the same lane. We ain't in the same. Trying to step to MJ. We ain't in the same lane. I ain't in the lane. To use pushing chat? You're pushing. Alright, this is a big fat ass candle, chat. It's a big fat ass candle. We're gonna chill our stop loss. We're gonna cut it to 20 pips. Cutting our stop loss down to 20 pips. That was a good idea. That was a good fucking play, chat. That was a good play call, bro. Great play call. I stayed out of these AU buys I was about to take because I knew that was a bad idea. Save myself out of all this drawdown. I didn't close the GU at break even because of the AU idea. I stuck to my original plan and now we're in profit. If I would have did what I said about closing this at break even, then taking AU, I would have took a loss. Holy fuck, I can't make this shit up, chat. I got 30-minute closure. How to 30-minute close? Bearish engulfing. Perfect. Clean for sales, bro. Bearish engulfing. That's trying to set and forget. How my nigga FX Alex say? Set and forget, chat.
Before Shopify, were you wondering where are my sales at? But now you're selling with Shopify. You're easily selling online, in person, and beyond. Discover how millions of entrepreneurs.
This is the Kindle. The reason why I drug it over here because this is the Kindle I had to enter off of.
At shopify.com/YouTube audio.
I gotta see you. I think I'm about to get off now. Just gonna I cut my stop loss in half from. Wait, it's supposed to be 15. Cut my stop loss in half from 30 pips to 15 pips. Managing my risk. Because we took out the previous 4-hour low with that push down that we had. Other than that, nothing else for me to do here on the chart. Set and forget. Let the trade do this do. I'm gonna go to sleep, wake up. If it gets stopped out for half risk, then that's fine. Probably doesn't stop me out and decides to run even further and either end up taking out this low. And I have my TP set down here for about 80 pips. We're gonna set it to 80. 80 pips. We're gonna do this psychological level actually. 200. All right, 126, 200. Be my final TP. Any possible trades on EJ? No, we are still within this area of the yellow area, which I don't be interested in taking a trade. I'm only looking to take sells in this area down here. So until we get a break and retest of this area, no trade for me on EJ. Let's look at UJ. Not too interested in UJ either. So yeah, we're just gonna let this trade do what it do. I'm gonna end the stream here, man.